Bagsak mo?
Na-under ka kay Ma'am Mercedes kung on time ang inyong grado sa law.
Naandya ka kaya Mercedes kung sige kang tanaw sa iya mong relo.
Kaya sa time, uy. 10 minutes pa.
Na-under ka ni Ma'am Mercedes kung walang lawyer na kami sa kanya. Section 1, focus.
Section 1. Form of negotiable instrument. An instrument to be negotiable must conform to the following requirements. A. It must be in writing and signed by the maker or grower. B. It must contain an conditional promise or order to pay the sums or taking money.
Ka kung Ma'am Mercedes kung malipay ka kung nalimutan niya ang credit card.
Ano ka sa Ma'am Mercedes kung malutong magsangkap sa mga section?
Bring it out!
Na-under ka kay Ma'am Mercedes kung ikatulo o kaliman imong praktiso ng imong report.
Under ka kay Ma'am Code, you need to speak in English.
What is negotiable instrument? Sopero. A negotiable instrument is an instrument that has a credit Oh my God! I can't understand you speaking English. Negotiable instrument is an instrument that can be negotiated to other people with value.
Na-under ka kay Ma'am Mercedes kung kabalo ka sa 3L. Language, law, logic.
Naandya ka kay Ma'am Mercedes kung mangurog ka kung tawagin.
Mama, negotiable instrument,
Na-under ka ni Ma'am Mercedes kung half ka sa law.
yes, 49 over 50. 48 over 50. Kaban, 48 over 50. Archibald, 50 over 50. Rojas, 48 over 50.
Na-under ka kay Ma'am Mercedes kung may feelings ka mabasa.
Section 10. Terms when sufficient. The instrument need not follow the language of this act, but any terms are sufficient which clearly indicate an intention.
Na-under ka kay Ma'am Mercedes kung mas pinili mo absent kung wala pa kakapasa. Actually, section 88
Na-under ka kay Ma'am Mercedes kung you understand every section by heart. Na-under ka kay Ma'am Mercedes kung nakakayawya sa index card.
Oh my God! Asan ko ah? Asan ang yes! Na-under ka kay Ma'am Mercedes kung pasa ka sa mapul.
Cheers! Na-under ka kay Ma'am Mercedes kung hindi na ka study before exam. Kung hindi naka-study na ako, syempre kung di ba sa... Hindi na naka-study ako. Cheers!
Under ka kay mama nagdadek kung mamurog ka kung tawagon.
Normal na lang. Wala ka nagbasa.
Sige na kasi lang.
Uy, wala.
Go!
Under ka ni Mama Sally kung hawak ka sa loob.
Go!
Na-under ka kay Mami Tanan kung with feelings imong gibasa. Tama.
Section 10.
Na-under ka kung Mama Sally kung malipay ka kung malimutan niya ang MS card.
Section 1. Form of negotiable instruments.